The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to our English class. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Children, in the previous class, we learned linking words. Linking words are also called conjunctions, isn't it? And or are the linking words. In the previous class, we learned the use of and. And is used to connect actions, words or sentences. Today, we are learning the use of or in sentences. Okay? Or is a linking word. It is used to combine two sentences. Okay? Children, we use or to join two sentences. Okay? The linking word or means to make a choice between the two. So, or means to make a choice between two options. That is, we use or to make a choice. That is, if we have two things, we can choose any one of them between the two. Okay? Choose any one of them between the two options. We use or to combine two sentences to indicate the choice. So children, or is used between two options. Yes, to choose any one of the things. That is, we use or to combine two sentences to indicate a choice. Okay? For example, if you have two pencils, one red pencil and one blue pencil, which one will you choose? Can you write with both the pencils at a time? No. So you will choose one pencil, one red or one blue pencil. Isn't it? So we can choose red or blue. Okay? Now children, look at these examples. How we will combine these sentences using or. Okay? Rohan can go to the beach in the evening. Rohan can go to the park in the evening. So can he go to both the places at a time? It is not possible. So he can make a choice. Isn't it? So how we will combine these sentences? Yes, we will combine these two sentences using or. How is it? Rohan can go to the beach or to the park in the evening. Yes, Rohan can go to the beach or to the park in the evening. Okay? Yes, another example. Ramu can drink tea. Ramu can drink coffee. Now let us combine these two sentences. Okay? Can he drink both tea and coffee at a time? No. He can make a choice. So, Ramu can drink tea or coffee. Okay? Now let us see one more example. Okay? Adit can play. Adit can read storybook. So how will you combine these sentences? Adit can play or read storybook. So he can choose whether he want to play or to read storybook. Adit can play or read storybook. Okay? We use or to combine two sentences to indicate a choice. Or is a linking word used to combine two sentences to indicate a choice. Or is a linking word which means to make a choice between the two options. It is used to join two sentences. So, or is used to combine two sentences to indicate a choice. Children, hope you understood this session. We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye. See you.